Alright guys, we're going to make the armchair, which is on page 22 of Paper Modeling by M. Swanell. It says to use a 4 or 5 inch square. I have this scrap piece of paper. Let's see, it's not 5 inches, so we're going to do 4-inch square. I am using 100 weight cardstock this time since the other chair was not that great. We're going to fold this as we usually do. This is going to make really small squares. To make this, you're going to need cardstock, scissors. I would also use your cutting blade and some tape and a ruler. All right, here we go. I'm just gonna mark this out. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Now we are simply going to remove M, N, and O, and P. We do not use those. All right, so G is going to be the seat of your chair. We're going to cut D, G, L, and G. So cut on top of D, and then up G, and then cut down L, and up G. Should now look like this. So these are the sides of your chair, A and E, A and B, and I and J are the other sides. Let's see. I'm gonna get a cutting board. So now E and F are the back of our chair, and you can draw a design on it, and you can draw sides. I am going to sketch out something. Let's see. I am not an artist. I think that's pretty similar. Alright, so here's my little design, and instead of just using, I'm just going to cut it out with scissors instead of using the X-Acto knife. Alright, so then we're going to fold D and L down and fold H in, and then G goes down like a little box, and the chair just sits up like this. See that? And you can tape these sides, and you can cut legs in it later. I'm gonna do as it says here, just cut. There is my little armchair. Isn't it cute? I really like it.